Oh, my wristband's on the other side. Today is June 17th. Thank you. June 17th. We're going to Star Wars! Look, check it out. Look! Oh, and we just rode Splash Mountain, but I think the victim is Chad. Look at his pants. Check it out, guys. So yeah, we're waiting to go inside. This is how it looks.
Alright, we gotta run to the cantina, alright? Okay, once we check in to the cantina,
Can you be quiet?
then we can go anywhere else we want to go. Of course.
Everyone's favorite. Totally.
We made it! We made it in!
First, go.
We're trying to get to Cantina, and you know, they walk slow. Look at them. Look at them. They walk slow. I'm the fast walker. Never mind, I got stuck. Dude, so sick! We were supposed to go to Cantina. So if you come to Star Wars Land, you have to go to Cantina first. Because that was a long ass line.
Yeah, that's what we're trying to do.
I don't even know if you can see me. Okay.
Time to...
Oh, it's so cute. Oh, they left me. They left me. Come on, babe. Let go.
Oh, sorry.
Damn. Oh my gosh. Sure you know where you're walking, because that stupid rock was in my way. In this moment, she realized she got to cut the line. What? We're in the Cantina. Dude, shout out to the worker, man. So I got the outer rim, and she got the fuzzy, which was this one and this one.
It makes your mouth tingle.
So the little yellow fuzzy stuff
Makes your mouth tingle.
45, 26.
Cheers, dude! Chad looks unamused. Because she said the bathrooms look super cool, I don't get it. If you're wondering, I'm in the freaking bathroom, and they got some bumpin' ass music. I just realized it's recording now. So shout out to Dee for letting me use her camera for this day, because my camera's not here yet, so
It's not that good. But it's good.
this reminds me of Tylen's video, how she couldn't figure out what that was. Right, Tylen? Mood. What a mood. What a mood. Okay, update. They don't know it, but I'm feeling a little buzzed right now. That out rim, whatever. Haven't had anything to eat yet at Star Wars, and and I'm over here like, ugh. Hello? Okay, I guess no one's home. In line for some blue milk. Okay, you can't even tell that is blue milk, but that's green and that's blue.
We're gonna get started for you.
Thanks.
Yes.
Here you go.
All right, 17.22.
Alright guys, blue milk. It smells like perfume.
It tastes like it too.
Okay. He's like, I don't want it. I don't want it. Come back. Just drink it one more time. Okay, she likes it because she's weird.
She's keeping it.
Neeks said it'll grow on me. So let's see. It's not growing on me, Neeks. Okay, round 2 of her saying it'll grow on me. Also, I had to switch my phone because the camera died. So.
Flight engineers, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. There's pilot. Hit the boosters. Need the help. Now let's go get that coaxial. Yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take it in. There it is. Yes, you got one. Excellent, man. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel to uncharted regions. Time for you to go. Don't worry, payment is on the.
We're lost. We're lost. We're lost. We're lost. Here. We found the stairs. If you guys get motion sickness, I suggest you don't go on this ride. Also, if you have too much alcohol from the Cantina, I suggest you also don't go on this ride because then you're gonna get completely dizzy. If you're the pilot, you're sitting in the front. Yeah. If you're the gunner, your hand is gonna hurt because you keep doing this.
Really dizzy.
You keep doing this with the gunner.
It's
Like-
out.
I got a 40%, almost half, 40% accuracy.
Chad chose hyperspeed.
Hello? Hello? That's an elevator, I'm just kidding. Adam coach.
Over there.
Also, the trick is, like I said, to chant. Because if you chant, they're gonna give it to you. They're gonna be like, you say pilot, 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 pilot.
Welcome, my friends. Right this way. Nothing to be afraid of. Yes. Having now time and money.
We're gonna die.
mashing buttons. Only one engineer. Well,
Currently 11:03 or 6. I don't know what time it was.
11:03.
But so yeah, this concludes our Star Wars Galaxy's Edge trip.